Hello, and welcome to the Revolution for Sellers, a new movement for anyone tired of paying high fees and following strict rules on giant online marketplaces. My name is Bruce, the HeyGen avatar for Professor James Musgrave, founder and CEO of Best Global AI. We started with a simple question. How can small independent sellers break free from these huge platforms without risking everything? Our answer is a step-by-step approach. You don't have to cut ties with Amazon or eBay tomorrow. Instead, you can slowly shift toward your own platform while still using the traffic from these big sites. Over the past 5 years, we developed what's now called Best Global AI, building on an earlier tool we named the Embellisher platform. As technology advanced in AI, automation, and marketing, we worked with skilled developers, some from Ukraine, to create something truly new. Today, Best Global AI offers a single-link marketing system that connects 9 major tools all in one place. We have reliable hosting, a social media scheduler, an AI content generator, an avatar creator for interactive videos, email marketing support, our Embellisher editing and publishing tool, Google Forms for data collection, a simple way to accept payments with Stripe, and a database for managing your contacts. We also use Cursor developer software to quickly add or update features you may need. Our motto is making AI personal, and we've designed an easy-to-use dashboard where you can manage social posts, email funnels, and even video avatars, all without being an expert coder. This gradual revolution doesn't mean giving up your Amazon store right away. It's about taking control of your brand, building genuine relationships with your customers, and keeping more of your profits. Rest assured, we have a robust content policy, and we protect your assets with top-tier security measures to prevent hackers and other miscreant developers and dishonest brokers. We interview every applicant and match your business model to our products and services. So, welcome to Best Global AI. We invite you to explore our platform, see how we're empowering tiny teams and small businesses, and discover what it means to finally break free on your terms. Thanks for watching, and here's to making 2025 the year you take back control of your business.